2 north and then contact 131.37,
Sky West, good morning, and taxi to the station bay of 2 north and turning to bay 2, contact Iceman on 3137.
37, Sky 5169.
Studies have proven time and again that an effective communication platform is the single greatest contributor to the success of an organization or operation. JCAII develops and manufactures turnkey communications systems built with safety equipment and software to create self-contained, high-speed de-icing platforms that, among other benefits to airports, offers the flexibility to place de-icing facilities either temporarily or permanently on existing infrastructures, freeing up gates, containing chemical disbursement and increasing throughput, while delivering safety that automatically scales to the increased use, while collecting all of the detailed information in real time within TWO ACDM-compatible platforms under their aviation line. SmartPad, a de-icing pad coordination system, and IceLink, a web-based real-time data harvesting tool. SmartPad allows you to coordinate aircraft and service vehicles on a de-icing pad through a single point of control. SmartPad is a collection of addressable inset lighting and electronic message boards, which coordinates the entire de-icing pad. Controlled centrally by the Bay Management System through JCAII's user-friendly pad management software program, an operator is provided a view of the de-icing pad from a virtual view of 1,000 feet up. This active view allows the operator to see all of their assets and the status of operation in real time, allowing the operator to be completely aware of the state of the pad and therefore able to make better decisions depending on the status of each bay within the pad.
We want to show exactly where the aircraft is supposed to go, where the de-icing trucks are supposed to go, and then the whole traffic that the aircraft does through the facility becomes faster. In old scenarios, before we had signboards, many times we had to marshal aircraft in. That takes time because every time you have to reset, you have to go back, pick up an aircraft, taxiing back in. With the introduction of the inset lights, the safety zone lights, the signboards, the guidance, the planes can do this whole pattern or the whole route by themselves. They don't need to rely on taxiing at 5 miles per hour because they're looking for the icing truck, they're looking for markings on the ground that are covered because there's snow, and basically the whole process becomes very slow.
Glycol containment equipment and state-of-the-art camera equipment is also available within the Smart suite of products. With SmartPad, aircraft are airbound to their destination faster, with the reduction of radio chatter through visual confirmations and safety that scales to the increased throughput naturally.
What we've done is been able to drop our de-icing times by over 50%. We were averagely sort of 20 minutes per de-icing task previously on gate. Now we're using the pad and all the bay manager systems that go with that pad. We've got it down to approximately 10 minutes and below. Spraying times are a lot lower, but the actual part into the pad using the signs is, as I say, down to 10 minutes from 20 minutes, so that really helps.
IceLink is a unique operational web-based system that not only collects and organizes all critical de-icing data, it also delivers context to the data being analyzed and clearly provides answers as to how to improve operations. It is the only de-icing data system in the world that allows you to act and make changes immediately with the data it collects and outputs. The architecture and design of IceLink even enables required and necessary changes to an operation to improve operations immediately on the fly.
Challenges that we're finding in the field for de-icing is that there's a lot of radio chatter and it's a lot of paperwork. Things are getting lost, there's miscommunication. So with the advent of these consumer devices like iPads, what we're able to do is put these into all the trucks and then remotely through cellular technology pull all of that information in to one central point, so everybody has real-time information on what's going on.
IceLink and SmartPad will fit any airport, from the largest of hubs to small regional airports. For the first time, airlines, airports and service providers have access to a reliable one system that allows all of the stakeholders an unprecedented level of visibility and transparency over all of their aircraft de-icing operations that are IceLink equipped, globally, instantly and in real time.
It's our goal at JCAII to make IceLink the operating system of the de-icing operations, just like Windows is the operating system of every PC in the world.
As the de-icing world moves to a new level of environmental expectations and safety consciousness, many practices of the past will no longer be acceptable, and procedures around safety and chemical disbursement will be more closely monitored and regulated. To start, the overall consensus has been to move aircraft off the gate to a centralized de-icing facility. Many advisory circulars and recommended practice documents support this approach. With SmartPad and IceLink combined, JCAII delivers an effective, flexible and scalable communication platform that exceeds the needs of their customers, offering tailor-made solutions that fit their specific needs and integrates those needs into their current airport systems. Ultimately, providing universal, transferable information between airports and stakeholders worldwide in real time. At the end of the day, it is the task and goal of JCAII, through its communications platforms, to help make sure that flights depart on time in all winter conditions.